everybody, welcome back to another JQ on the go video. So this one's going to be pretty quick, but I'm going to be talking about how to remove and install a spoiler on your S550 Ford Mustang. So you can see here, I already started with the process, but first off, you want to make sure that you are taking off this cover in the back. This cover does have some of these little push pins, and these pins you could use a pry tool just like this and pop all of those out. In addition to that, there are two rubber grommets, which are here, that you will twist off righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Then our third step is going to be to remove these covers to take off both of these bolts here. So I have one bolt there that I already took off. I still have another one on this side I have to take off. And the size of that bolt, good old 10 millimeter. I am using a deep socket here to take that off. There is a small magnet on it, but like other videos will say online, when you are unscrewing it, you want to make sure that you are pushing the trunk lid down like this as you're taking it off. I'm going to pop off this side here. Got to use both hands because I do have the Stita pop trunk kit, but I'm actually going to lower it just a little bit more. So I still have a little bit more left, so I'm going to slowly put the trunk up. I actually like taking it off just so I could do it by hand. Make sure if you're lifting the trunk lid back up like that, you still have the bolt on a little bit of the threads. Just so you don't drop it in your trunk lid. And just like that, it's off. And this is what we are working with, just a little bolt like that with a rubber stopper in it. Now for our next step, in addition to the two that we had on the sides over here, we now have two more right here. So in total, you should have 4 bolts that you're taking off. So I got the spoiler off, and the liquid that's on it right now, I have some Goo Gone. The new spoilers here on the ground with the stock one over there. I'm gonna use my drill here with this little foam bit just to see if I can get some of the glue off, then I'm gonna use some elbow grease. That was on the stock one. There was a Hello, yeah, that's why it's like. And now this is the fun part. So we're putting everything back together. So you saw there. And that other clip, just kind of the fitment. Overall, collectively, the fitment on the spoiler is actually really nice. There are a couple of little paint imperfections with it. This was on American Muscle's Memorial Day sale, and it was one of their open box products. So that means that someone did return it, but because of that, I got a pretty good deal on it. So collectively, we'll see how it works, how everything goes. I ended up getting these nuts here. And then also I got these size washers just to make sure that my little nut that I am using doesn't go all the way through. I'm using this smaller screw, so not too big, just because I didn't want to go all the way through the spoiler. Checked it out in the store, actually walked into Lowe's with the spoiler, but collectively we got what we needed, and now we are rolling. So I'm gonna put everything back together, and then you'll see the final product. So I got everything buttoned up here. It matches really nicely with my black deck lid, and now this spoiler, just the combination collectively looks really, really good. And you can see the overall finish. I do have to wipe it. It did rain a little bit, but it looks good collectively. We do have some kind of paint marks here and some other kind of blemishes, and you could see it's not a perfect glossy finish, so I'll try to wax it, sand it, see what I can do. But for the price of it and how it looks, I'm super happy with it. And this was super simple, used all the factory hardware underneath there. And this is our factory spoiler that we get on the GTs. So lined up our new spoiler with our 4 bolts that we took off. This concludes our video, so I really hope you did like my little DIY here on my new spoiler. If you have any questions or any concerns, please make sure to check out my comments section and leave anything there. And also, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you very much. Bye.